Monday, him call me. Him call me yesterday and say to come up. And I say, all right then, I'll come up Monday. So, he like, no, cause tomorrow my birthday and him have things planned.
Is that, yeah?
No, like, alright, tomorrow my birthday and him have things planned.
Yeah.
And what? Him did want go club, him did want go taboo. But me I say, but me I tell him say, him no fee. Go no taboo, him can just cook some food and buy 2 liquor and brace on him ends.
Yeah.
So and I tell him say me can't come up for the Saturday.
Yeah.
Me can't come up tomorrow. But me I go come up Monday. Me I go come up Monday.
Yeah.
And him say, alright then. Yeah. So him today. And tomorrow my birthday I will have plan. So him today. Italian.
Yes, yes.
Wait. Tell me, oh, him today. Tell me now. Tell me.
No, sis.
One go take the cards, I know him.
The cards. Tomorrow I'm birthday. Yeah, tomorrow I'm birthday. And
Yeah.
like 12 o'clock I'm birthday. So what the fuck?
12 o'clock and birthday, girl. I know
2
him.
minutes, 3 minutes left to your birthday, 3 minutes.
Yeah. Because me evil write like the paragraph, like you know, like when a people birthday and like you write the paragraph, and me write the paragraph. Say me I wait till 12 o'clock. Me say me I wait till 12 o'clock. So me
Can
can
you
say.
by yourself?
So send it.
So like, alright. Me say, me I wait till 12 o'clock. So, me can send it to him 12 o'clock. Call it that because
Start me, baby. Start me.
I know, I'm gonna tell me, say him dead.
You're the one by
So
yourself.
you tell me, say him dead.
She's the one by herself, Italian?
No,
But I'm gonna tell me, say him dead for real.
should I work?
But I'm gonna tell me, say, they kill him. No.
Work, he's at work.
No. This was my fear. Me beg God every day. Don't make me lose somebody when me talk to. I will be there with. Because me naga can't angle it. Me naga can't manage it. And he choose me. Me. How that everybody will go through what me prayer. I'm begging every day not to put me through. And don't make me go through it. Because me naga can't go with that shit. And me, and God me ask you, God me ask you, God me pray to you, God me pray to you every day, I beg you. I miss the people that look the loved ones. Me pray to you, I say, please don't let me ever have to experience this.
No, for work, I'm not with her.
I've been said, ask Steve, I say, please, God, talk to you,